This is a modern crab processing factory where seafood is prepared on an industrial scale.
Every day, tons of fresh crabs arrive here from the sea.
Strict hygiene and precision control every step of the process. Food safety is the top priority inside the factory.
Let us take you inside the production line.
Only healthy crabs are approved for processing.
Each batch is carefully inspected by trained staff.
Any damaged or low-quality crabs are removed immediately.
Weight and size consistency are closely monitored.
The approved crabs move forward to washing.
The production line runs with constant efficiency. High-pressure water ensures deep cleaning.
This machine cleans the crabs evenly from every angle. After washing, the crabs are completely clean.
Excess water is removed before cooking.
The crabs are prepared for cooking.
The cooking process begins with controlled steam. Precise temperature and timing are critical. Even a small mistake can affect quality.
Steaming locks in natural flavor and texture.
After cooking, the crabs are fully prepared.
This color change confirms proper cooking.
The crabs are cooled to maintain texture.
Temperature control remains essential.
Skilled workers carefully open the shells.
The premium meat is separated by hand.
Different grades are sorted for packaging. Quality checks ensure safety and consistency on shrimp factory.
The meat is sealed to preserve freshness. Each package is fully traceable. The product is now ready for freezing.
Freezing locks in quality for global shipping.
From here, the crabs are shipped worldwide. The cold chain is never broken. Reaching kitchens around the world. All made possible by precision and care. From the ocean to your plate. Every package passes through a metal detection system for safety.
Final quality inspection ensures product consistency.
Each pack is weighed to meet exact standards. Automation speeds up the packing process. The boxes are securely sealed for transport. Each box is labeled for global distribution. Products are stored at sub-zero temperatures. Cold storage maintains freshness until shipping. The cold chain is maintained during loading. And finally, the crabs are shipped to markets around the world. Fresh shrimp enter the cooking line.
The shrimp are cooked in precisely controlled boiling water.
This color change confirms proper cooking.
Immediately after cooking, the shrimp are cooled.